See guys, very cute really. Full of roots. But even if the soil is a very good soil, it's so amazing. The one variety beans did not germinate. What new? Unless it's I planted in one big pot two seedlings. So this is only an experiment here. Anyway, if this one won't work, we have there outside in the garden, outside here, chili planting. So let's go guys. I wanna show you where I'm gonna set this one. So let's go. I wanna show you where I set the rest. Hey, you see that? It's a little bit funny. That's the rest of the beans. So I did that one this morning. And I need to get some. That's cute one. Okay guys. I wanna get the beans. Hawak mo. I'm hoping the dog won't place it. Woo! More! More! One last there guys. Okay. One more. Here we go. Last one. Wow. So good. Whew. So this is my little small small garden here. And this should grow here. Wow, that's good. I like it. I need to look more at this here. So I wanna do some shout out guys. Okay guys, I'm done with my beans here. So hopefully I'm hoping this one will survive. You can hear me. Okay. And I'm going to shout out to subscribers. Last month, September. So thank you so much for subscribing my channel, guys. So Maricon, comment. So, but I'll just read half of it, not all, because I know you're gonna get bored while I'm reading here. So thank you so much here to Maricon Villana, to Texas Torres, to Marilyn Bangnan rather, Bangnan, to T Calvo 76, to RCS Vlogs, to 6130 Auzanab, to Glenn, to Glenn Wilmas, Williams rather, guys, sorry. Williams, my handwriting is not really good. Yeah, that's Glenn Williams. To Z Food, to Michael Monteverde, to Bian Will, to the Wood, A1 Horse, to Yan Feng, to it's your girl, to 11 years just, to Mike Labuab. I'll just read all, guys. To AGB, Gani 1, to Marianne Malbakias, to Rogens 1, to retired at 55 on the flip side, to Baal Balosi, to next Throne, to Ken Brack, to Skyfall, to no Name, to Sinaida Gomez, to Abigail Joy Estelnior,